Congressman Raul Ruiz announced new legislation aiming to bring more support services to local veterans with health problems.
Yeah, News 11's Wiley Jahari spoke with the lawmaker and brings us more details on the bill tonight from El Centro.
U.S. Representative Raul Ruiz wants to help veterans across Imperial County by expanding on the current veteran support services. Congressman Raul Ruiz on a mission to provide local veterans better health care. Ruiz says many veterans come in contact with toxic and hazardous materials during military service, causing them health problems down the line, cancers and respiratory illnesses, to name a few. Ruiz says currently veterans are not getting the proper support.
The problem is that the caregiver assistance program is open to individuals who sustain physical injury due to their service in the military.
The U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs says there are approximately 40,000 new cancer cases in veterans reported annually. Federico Garcia is a veteran service officer from Imperial County. He says many veterans across the valley have similar illnesses.
And here you are years later, and they're coming up with a lot of diseases that came from Agent Orange at that time. It was a major problem.
One veteran in Imperial County tells us about his experience while serving and his health conditions a year later. I'll have that for you in our next newscast. Reporting in El Centro, I'm Wiley Jahari.
And just know our next show is tonight at 10 because of the Olympics. Enjoy.